well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to reset forgotten password of your Instagram account. So for this guys, you can try this easy and simple method. So you can try this method on your phone as well as on your PC. So just close your Instagram application like this and open any web browser on your device like this. And here in the Google you need to search Instagram login and open the website for Instagram sign in page like this. Select your browser like this, and here it will ask you to select the login. Just click on login link, and here you can get the option forgotten your password. Just tap on it like this. Now here it will ask you to enter your email address, phone number or your Instagram username. So I will search it by my phone number. Just I have entered my phone number, and then here it will show you send login link. Just tap on it, and then here it will send a link on your registered mobile number. Just tap on OK on wait for the message. Close this and open your messaging app like this. Find out the message from Instagram, and here you can get the link. Just tap on that link, select this box, tap on continue like this, and here you can get your username. Here you need to enter the new password, and same you need to confirm the new password and then tap on change password. That's it. Okay, so this is the easy and simple method to reset your Instagram forgotten password. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.